Hello guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add YouTube video to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to editor.wix.com. Once you are in Wix, tap on plus add elements. And then in here, you'll be going to the search bar. This one over here. Now click on search and then a window or pop-up will appear. In here, you need to search for YouTube. Now, it's important that when you add a YouTube channel, this should be very well in line with your very own business or website over at Wix. In here, at Add to Site, you can add in a YouTube, Wix video, or single video players. Now let's choose single video player. Then click on YouTube this time. And then in here, you can now adjust the YouTube video and the size of how it should appear on your website. Now let's wait for the YouTube video to fully load on the website. Over here, tap on the gear icon that says Settings. And in here, you'll have the option to select a video from YouTube. And then, on the video added, you can change the link over here. Now, first, click or open another tab. Go to youtube.com. The thing you're going to be doing here in YouTube is that you are going to be looking for the video that you want to feature over your website. Wix makes everything easier in website building. Then in here, look for a video that you think should work. Now copy the link from the browser by pressing Ctrl+C or highlighting everything and then right-click copy. And then you'll go back to Wix. And then, on the URL bar, the next thing to do over here is that you're going to be pasting the link. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.